Hello, dear students. I am Professor Vikas Moite. I welcome you on this online platform of Agricultural Development Trust, College of Agriculture and Allied Sciences, Baramati. In this lecture, we are going to study the basic syllabus of the subject. It is the subject that means the human values and ethics. It is the subject of first semester, Human Values and Ethics. Course code is HVE 111 and credit 1+0. In this lecture, we are going to see some basic information about the subjects. Our name of the subject is Human Values and Ethics. And in this very first lecture, we'll see, overlook the subject, then we'll study the importance of subject and the meaning of these terms, human values and ethics. See, this is the subject of first semester. You can see here the syllabus of this subject. Our course is HVE 111, Human Values and Ethics. It is the subject of semester first. See, the theory syllabus, actually credit is 1+0. Here means only theory subject is there, only theory will be there. There is no practical for this subject, human values and ethics. Okay. Theory, unit first, universal human aspirations. Human aspirations, those are the happiness and prosperity. Then second point is human values and ethics, that concept, definition, significance and the resources. What do you mean by the values? What do you know about the values and ethics? Values and ethics. Values are nothing but the standard principles, conviction, beliefs. Those are used as the guideline by human being in their lives. See, this is the syllabus. You can observe here fundamental values, right conduct, peace, truth, love and non-violence. Then ethics, types of ethics, professional ethics, environmental ethics, ICT. Also, the sensitization towards others, particularly senior citizens, developmentally challenge and gender. This is the syllabus of the first unit. And second unit, in second unit, spirituality, positive attitudes, scientific temper, teamwork and volunteering, rights and responsibilities, road safety, human relations and family harmony, modern challenges and value conflict. Here, value conflict, sensitization against the drug abuse and other social evils, developing personal code of conduct, that means the SWOT analysis, management of anger and stress, etc. It is the syllabus. Okay, this is the syllabus. If you observe, if you see here, see, there will be 16 lectures we'll get for the syllabus, and we'll conduct the syllabus accordingly, we'll conduct the lecture accordingly. First, that universal human aspirations. See, here is the weighted in the percentage, means every chapter is about 3 to 4 marks, about 3 to 4 marks. Okay, some topics are for 2 marks, some are for the 4 marks. You will get the PDF of this syllabus copy. Don't worry about that. Here is some books suggested by the university for the study of HVE 111 for first semester. This is the list of the books you can refer for the study. Okay, here you can observe the exam scheme and assessment. Exam scheme and assessment means how will you respond, or what kind of different examinations will be there in future for this subject. See, there will be midterm examination after completion of near about 50%, 40 to 50% syllabus, and that will be for 10 marks, and it will be at the college level. Okay, it will be conducted by the college. Then next exam is semester end examination. It is also of the theory, as this subject is for only theory. But this exam, semester end exam, will conduct the university. It will be conducted by the university. Okay, and it is for 40 months. This total, this subject is for the 50 marks you study in this semester. Okay, then see some main, we can say major important part of, we can say very basic things about this subject: introduction to human values and ethics. Introduction to human values and ethics. See, values are the guiding principles of our lives. Means values proves as the guidelines. As we discussed before, values are nothing but principles, standards, convictions, beliefs, which will be useful for living our life smoothly. Those works as the guidelines in our life. Here values are the guiding principles, means values tells values tell us how to live our life, what to do actually in our life. Okay, values are nothing but the qualities required for the, we can say, living good moral life. Okay, here values are generally regarded as the moral standards of human behavior in the society. It is kind of quality of humans which is applied to human activities. See, values are nothing but the standards of human behavior in the society. Okay, and it is kind of quality. Values means different qualities. Okay, values includes different qualities. Qualities of humans and which apply to human activities. See the next line, the word value is derived from Latin word value. Origin of the word value is of the Latin word. It is original word is value in Latin language, and which originally means strength and also health, and then by the natural transmission it came to mean being effective and adequate. Value means what in the Latin it is actually mean the strength, or we can say good health. It is the natural transmission. It means being effective and adequate. Okay, it is all about the meaning of value. Then we'll see in this slide, we see the importance of value. Values are the guiding principles of our life, as we discussed before. They are essential for the positive human behavior and actions in our daily lives. See, this statement is very important. What is the importance of value? Values are actually the essential for our positive human behavior. If you want to live positively, that means if you want to that quality in your life, it is very much necessary to adopt certain values in our life. See that they are formed on the basis of interest, choices, needs, desires, and preferences. See, it is it basis on it formed on basis of interest, choices, needs, desires, and preferences. Means it is very personal, right? Values can be adopted by any person, and what kind of value, what value we should adopt, it is up to us. Okay, they have played important role in not only in sociology but also psychology, anthropology, and related disciplines. See, means values are very much important in our social life, as well as it is important for our psychology. It is also important of our daily communication. And because anthropology, it is the branch of science where we deal with the man and man's behavior, right? Anthropology, manav vansha shastra, we can say, right, in Hindi, Marathi, and related discipline. It is useful in many of the discipline. Values are nothing but our qualities. Okay, see next, introduction to ethics. What do you mean by ethics? Ethics is the branch of philosophy that involves systemizing and defending, recommending concepts of right and wrong. Actually, ethics are there for telling us what is right, what is good, and what is bad, and what is wrong. Okay, the term ethics is derived from the ancient Greek word ethos, which means the customs or habit. Okay, it is derived from Greek origin and it means customs or habits. In practice, ethics seeks to revolve questions of human morality by defining concepts good and evil, such as good and evil, and right and wrong, virtues and vice, and justice and crime. See, it means what is the use of ethics in our life? Actually, ethics guides us to know what is right and wrong, what is the virtue and vice, what is good and evil, what is justice and crime. Okay, see the importance of ethics. Ethics serves as, see, why we follow. If you know the value means the mulya, and ethics means the niti mulya. Okay, what is the importance of all those ethics? Ethics serve as a guide to moral daily living and helps us to judge whether our behavior can be justified. Ethics refers to the society's sense of the right way of living our daily lives. It does this by establishing the rules, principles, values on which we can base our conduct. It is the importance of ethics. Actually, ethics are related to different disciplines also. Means the profession. Professional ethics, then ICT ethics, some business ethics are there. Means those all rules of behavior which tell us what is right and what is wrong. Those all the rules are collectively called as the ethics. And values, actually ethics are the ethics include values. Okay, ethics are value driven. Okay, so values are the parts of ethics. Are you getting? So both of the things, values and ethics, plays an important role in the life of human being. So it is very important subject as far as your future life is concerned, and it is very much necessary to study. Actually, it is not the part to study the values. Actually, in the country like India, we adopt different values from our culture. Also, different values are inculcated by our relatives, our family member, our colleagues, our friends, etc. So it is not the part of teaching. Values are not the part of teaching in the classroom, but university brought this subject in our syllabus because you have to balance your education, we can say your knowledge, with the moral things like values and ethics. Okay, so values and ethics, though you are educated person, but it is very much important to follow the values. It is very much important to follow ethics and adopt different good values in our life. See, it's all about the syllabus, teaching and exam scheme and assessment, and importance, general information about the values and ethics and their importance. Okay, it's all about the very basic things of our subject. We'll see remaining part in the next lecture. Thank you very much. We'll see in next lecture.